Welcome back to Topic Programming, the channel where we explore exciting projects and learn about programming together today. We have an interesting project that combines a ball switch and a sound sensor. We'll create a system that reacts to sound and physical movement. Let's dive in. Here we have a KY0 to 0 ball switch and a KY038 microphone sound sensor. Today we're going to hook both of these to a Raspberry Pi and create a Python game that reacts to sound and physical movement. First we're going to hook the VCC and ground pins on the ball switch to 3.3 volt and ground pins to the Raspberry Pi respectively. Next we need to connect the microphone sound sensor. Then we need to connect the VCC and ground pins to 5 volts and ground on the Raspberry Pi respectively. Then connect the data out pin to GPIO pin for on the Raspberry Pi. Then you should have everything connected to the Raspberry Pi. Full complete instructions will be in the description. Now let's boot up our Raspberry Pi and write the Python program. First we'll open a terminal. First we'll install dependencies by typing sudo apt-get update. Secondly we'll type sudo apt-get install python 3 and python 3-pip. Then we'll do pip3 install rpi.gpio. The last thing we'll install is pip3 install gpio0. Once we're done with that, we'll close the terminal and open Thonny Python code editor. Once we're in, we'll create a new file and write the code. You can just copy and paste from my GitHub page and look at it yourself. Once you're done, just save it and run the code. I wasn't able to get the app to trigger, but maybe you can be allowed enough sound to trigger. Let me know your results in the comments and like and subscribe to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching.